If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. What's good? I'm Juan, and welcome to the Everyday Come Up. It's Mindset Monday. No hype, no quotes, just real perspective for people trying to move better. So, I'm hearing a lot of people keep saying they need more time to work out, more time to build, more time to focus. But most of the time, that's not really the problem. The problem is distractions. You don't always need a different schedule. You need better boundaries. You need fewer things pulling on your attention. Because distractions will eat a whole day away. Then have you telling yourself you were busy. But being busy and being effective, they're not the same thing. Some people don't have a time problem. They got an access problem. Too many notifications, too many random conversations, too many mood-based decisions, too many habits that break their own momentum. Once you finally become a little more consistent, that's when distraction gets more dangerous. Because now it's not just stealing your time, it's interrupting your rhythm, and rhythm matters. It's hard to build momentum when your mind is always somewhere else. You can't lock in on your future if everything around you has full access to your attention. Sometimes protecting your progress, it looks simple. Putting your phone down, turn the TV off, stopping the habit of checking everything the second it pops up, not saying yes to every invite, not entertaining every conversation, not giving every little distraction premium access to your day. Because every time you break your focus, you make it harder to return to the version of you that was actually getting things done. So no, you might not need more hours. You might just need less noise, less access, less scattering your energy, less feeding the habits that keep pulling you away from what you said matters. Because the issue isn't always time. Sometimes the issue is what keeps stealing it. So ask yourself this: what in my life keeps breaking my focus? What keeps pulling me out of rhythm? And what would happen if I finally cut it down? Because once you build consistency, you gotta protect it. Make smart moves, y'all, and I see you on the come up.